morning everyone, my name is Rakshish Meja.
And my name is Mohammed Iman. So today we are presenting a model named Turn Aware before you.
So in this model we have made this model for blind turn saving because on mountain roads the blind turns are very dangerous and they have a very high accident rate and death rate. So we have made a soft wall so that if cars even collide then they are not getting damaged and hurt. So from this we have made two trucks are coming from one side or at each. So we have put two ultrasonic sensors and told and coded them so that if a car is coming from the right, so the left side LCD, the left side LED will glow at the red light, and the circuitry and model will be explained by Aman.
So we have used ultrasonic sensors, LED, breadboard, Arduino, and jumper wires. So as Rakshish said, there are two ultrasonic sensors. If this will sense anything, that LED will glow and the buzzer will beep. So I will show you a demonstration. Like this truck is coming from this side. So this ultrasonic sensor will beep. Then this will not work. So the driver will get the notice that there is car from other side and he will stop.
Because from these turns the car is not visible at all and we cannot even see it, so that because these roads are very narrow, and mostly example we can take Ladakh because Ladakh has these road and they have very high accident rates and death rates. There are 90% accident rates when the two cars collide, and the LEDs will glow at the same time from the left side also. It will glow on the right side and the buzzer will beep, so the other car will notice that car is coming from the left, so that he will stop there so that other car can pass easily. Collide, so there is a soft bumper placed here so that if the car collides, so the passengers don't get hurt.
Thank you.